Mystery bag. The material is an attractive bag with a variety of familiar but surprising objects inside. Objects can be cultural objects from geography lessons too. You can have some objects like rock, walnut, key, pine cone, rope, feather, fruit pit, or something like this, like button, cheek piece. It's important to change objects often too, so it can continue to be a mystery. This will draw the child to continue the activity. Today I'm going to show you how to do the mystery bag. This is how we hold it. This is how we carry it. Let's take it to the table. Do you know why it's called a mystery bag? Because we don't know what's inside of it. A bead, a dice, a rock, chickpeas, a piece of wood, a key, a ring, a button, What is this? A bead? What is this? A dice. What is this? A rock. What is this? Oh, you don't know? Let's put it away. What is this? A piece of wood? What is this? A key? What is this? A ring? What is this? Oh, you don't know? Let's put it here. This is a button. This is chickpeas. Can you please put chickpeas here? Can you place the button here? What is this? Chickpeas. What is this? Button. Now you may do this work. Mystery bag. Let's talk about the steps of the presentation, the control of error, language, direct purpose, and the age of the child. So first, this might be on the shelf or can be also hanging somewhere on the hook. Just show child how to carry. Take it to the table and turn it so you can open it this way. Ask the child if he knows why it's called the mystery bag, and say that's because we don't know what's inside of it. Open a bag just enough for hand to fit in. Reach in for the object. Say the name of the object while the hand is still inside the bag. It's a rock. You just may simply say a rock. And put it on the right side. A bead. Continue till finished, when all the objects are out of the bag. When finished, look at the objects and put the objects back in bag for the child, while putting away ask the child, what is this for each object? If the child does not know, just take it out and put it to the side. Later you can do the 3-period lesson. What is this? Key. What is this? If the child doesn't know, just put it to the side. What is this? You may do the 3-period lesson with the objects that the child doesn't know. And after done, put the objects away, invite the child to do the work. The control of error is child will see correct naming. The language is just the objects that are in the mystery bag. And the direct purpose is refinement of the stereognostic sense, ability for mental visualization. The age of the child is 3.5, 4 years old. A little note for this work, use from 8 to 12 objects at a time. Try to use more objects that are made of natural material. That was the mystery bag.